Good morning.
Good morning. We'll start our inaugural session. Honorary Principal Dr. Ashok Pise, sir, Principal Government College of Engineering, Karad. Today's chief guest, Honorary Dr. Vishwas Urpikar, Director SciComm Softwares, Dr. Ashok Sapkal, sir, convener of this FDP and Head Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering, distinguished delegates from various institutes and industries from all corners of India. A very warm welcome to all of you. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me a great pleasure to extend to you all a very warm welcome for the knowledge enhancement on behalf of the Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering, Government College of Engineering, Karad. I welcome you all for this inaugural session of the FDP. Aim of this faculty development program, signal, image and video processing, a practical approach, is to enrich the knowledge of faculties and participants from industry through the interaction with eminent personalities from the industries and academics. The knowledge sharing will improve the teaching learning process to the students and benefit the society. We have got this particular opportunity due to the lockdown period of COVID-19, which has given us the opportunity to change the learning process entirely. Previously, we were used to have an FDP program of 30 to 40 participants, but this online learning has given an opportunity to almost more than 1900 participants all across India and some participants from abroad also to learn and to carry their journey on the knowledge path. In concluding, I wish you every success in your quest of knowledge and a very pleasant online journey for the FDP SIV PAPA 2020. A very good morning and welcome again to all of you. Thank you very much. Jai Hind. Now I request Dr. Ashok Sapkar, convener of this FDP, to address the delegates.
Good morning. Welcome to all. Honorable Principal Dr. Ashok Pise, sir. Honorable Director SciComm Software Dr. Vishwas Udpikar, sir. Respected Deans, HODs, and faculty members of GCE Karad. Distinguished participants from various institutes and industries from all corners of India and from abroad, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, I welcome you all in this virtual tour of applications oriented faculty development program. In a different sense, this FDP is not like usual FDP. This program covers case study based application approach. It is gratifying to note that the agenda of the faculty development program covers a wide
Yeah,
range
yeah,
of very
yeah. Hello, hello. How are you? Sorry, I got late to join with you. Having some trouble in my PC as well as and yeah, I was that.
It is
Can
gratifying
we
to
tell
note that
what is the our agenda? I got we input this in detail. How much time is needed?
it is gratifying to note that the agenda of the development program covers a wide range of very interesting sessions which provides real-time knowledge on digital image and video processing like and retrieval multiple real biometric recognition, video analytics and standards, remote sensing, medical challenges and issues in the potential research area will be explored for research participants. The FDP aims at equipping participants with skills and knowledge in order to create a better society by guiding, training, and motivating students, experts from specialization, fundamentals, and case studies based on real-time applications in signal, image, and video domain. Each session would be followed by interactive sessions on the subject matter. I am grateful for the very good response, more than 1900 plus given by the participants from all corners of India and abroad. On this occasion, I take opportunity and also gives me a great pleasure to announce International Conference on Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning in the month of January 2021 at Department of ANTC, Government College of Engineering, Karad. This FDP will lead to innovative papers in this upcoming field, which will be great success of this FDP. In concluding, I wish you every success in your deliberations and a very pleasant online stay for the FDP on signal, image, and video processing, a practical approach. Thank you all.
Now I request Honorable Principal Dr. Ashok Pise sir to address the gathering. Sir.
Hi. Good morning.
Yes, you are audible.
Good morning, all of you. Behalf of Government College of Engineering, Karad, I welcome Dr. Udpikar, Wavelet Group, Dr. Sapkar, Head of the Department, ANTC, Coordinator of this FDP, Dr. Anil Karwankar, and Electronics Department staffs. And most important, that is participants from the our state, nation, and world's corner. This FDP is in online mode. So, this host college, what type of college, with how many departments in the college, this is not familiar with. Just I summarize my college, that is Government College of Engineering, Karad, is established in 1960 with basic three branches, civil, mechanical, electrical, with aim of the state government to develop rural education. Then 1967, that 5 PG programs are added. These are in civil engineering, construction management, structural engineering, mechanical, heat power engineering, production, electrical, power electrical. Then in 1993, Master of Computer Application. This is unique program which is in the technical side, which is added into the Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Let Pramod Mahajan has started this IT, information technology, all government colleges in 2001. The civil way to this electronics technology branch. That time started 2001 till last year. We have added 2 PG courses in IT, it is computer science engineering, and mechanical is design engineering. Colleges becomes autonomous in 2015. Then college is under TechUp 3. In TechUp 2, college is secured in the first rank into the state, and on this performance, college is selected into the TechUp 3, and where colleges act as a mentor institute for the Rajkiya College of Engineering, Azamgarh. College is going to be third time accreditation. Then last 3 years, college is acquired in different ranks into the different surveys. So this is seems to be the college is going on progressing last 3 years very fastly. And one of the that I am proud of that last 3 years, my electronics department is developing very fastly, and this expansion of the electronics department is infrastructure wise as well as you are seen to the placement side. This year, that is highest placement of the all the branches, that is electronics branch. So I congratulate first the head of the department of the electronics department, Dr. Sapkar and his team. Is their constant efforts of the last two years and developing, bringing to the department to the excellence side. This is the good achievement of the first electronics and telecommunication department. Thanks to the all the electronic department staffs and all this. Then this FDP arrange, this is signal image video processing, which is this is new area. Area is old, but new addition of this higher research, whatever this work, and this all the participants I seen, that is 1,800 participants which is joined to this FDP. That indicates that is success of the FDP. Also, some announcement given by the done by the head of the department. This is the conference is arranging in January. That is artificial intelligence and machine learning, which is the emerging area where RUSA has found the RUSA has indicated the number of jobs into the future. So I thanks to the all the participants and all the FDP convener, coordinator, and his team, and also wishing all of you good health, stay home and stay safe, and also pray to God, go Corona. Thanks to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Now I request our head of the department, Dr. Ashok Sapkar, sir, to introduce our honorary guest.
Okay, good morning. It is my honor and gives me great pleasure to introduce Dr. Vishwas Udpikar sir as a keynote speaker for this today's FDP. Dr. Vishwas Ramakrishna Udpikar, born in 1960. He awarded a degree. He obtained a degree of BENTC in 1981 from College of Engineering, Pune University. He received MTech from IIT Madras in 1983 in the same field. He received PhD degree from IIT Madras in 1989 on the topic or subject Gaussian modeling of images and development of efficient block truncation coders for monochrome data. He was previously founder director of Evolet Technologies, founder and managing director of IFM Engineering, member technical staff at CDAC Pune, senior project officer and faculty at IIT Madras. He is currently involved in business development, R&D for scientific computing and engineering application as a director at SciComm Softwares, and involved in developing DSP and digital image processing applications for research and industry, training manpower in the same, and also he is consultant for premier institutions. He has 37 years of rich experience in technology and innovations. Many awards are to his credit. Some of them are honors and credits are awards and honors are Param Award for Application Software Development at CDAC, FIE Foundation Award in 1994 for Technology Development for Visual Impaired. Recognition by Maharashtra State Police Department for fingerprint image database development. He is appointed as Honorary Professor in Electronics and Telecommunication by SPPU, Pune University, in recognition of the academic activity. He received Distinguished Alumnus Citation from College of Engineering, Pune. He has published more than 20 research publications in peer-reviewed international journals and conferences, out of which 5 are in IEEE transactions. His special area of interest are strategic electronics, that is aerospace, security, sensors and controllers, automation in communication, IoT, such that Industry 4.0, navigation, vibration analysis, DSP, DIP and video processing, video analytics. We are very happy to get Dr. Vishwas Udpikar sir, great technologist, as a keynote speaker for our FDP on signal, image and video processing, a practical approach. Once again, a very warm welcome to Dr. Udpikar sir. Now I hand over sessions to Dr. Udpikar sir. Thank you. Please, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
Welcome to all participants. Thank you.
Yeah. So I'm just writing a message to all. Thanks a lot, and I hope we'll have a good time.